Don't be fooled by these pretty little white flowers that you see growing, because this is one of the worst devil plants you could have on your property. Let's talk about it. This right here is hedge parsley, and it is actually native to Europe and Asia, which means that it's an invasive species here in the US. Now, while I admit it is very pretty and cute right now, it will turn very ugly within about a month or so. The transition is actually already starting to happen. So you can see on the left here, we have the flowers, what they look like, and then on the right is the seeds starting to form. Now, these seeds are covered in tiny little hooked barbs that are almost like Velcro, and once they dry out, they will stick to everything, including your clothes and your pets and wildlife and everything else. And every single one of those little stickers is a seed, and this is actually how it spreads itself from one place to another, because all of them will make a new plant the following year wherever they end up. Now, if there's one redeeming quality about this plant, it's that the pollinators do like it while it is in bloom, but remember that it is out competing a lot of your native pollinator plants. Now, unfortunately, if you are on a larger property where you have masses of this stuff, there's not much control you can do for this plant. On your smaller properties though, the best way to manage it is actually by pulling it out. It's not a very deep-rooted plant, and so it will pull pretty easily. And lastly, don't get this confused with other types of plant that look very similar to it, because some of them are beneficial native plants and others are ones that you don't want to touch. So don't get it confused with things like the beneficial native yarrow or the wild carrots, which also look very similar, or there is the poison hemlock, which looks very similar, but the hemlock has red splotches on the stems or red stems altogether. Anyway, I don't like that plant.